Hello there, wonderful viewers. Thanks for choosing this video from Fixit. Join Fixit on a journey of knowledge and creativity. Today, I will show you how to turn off VPN on iPhone. Remember to subscribe and click the bell icon so you don't miss any Fixit magic. Let's get started. VPN, or Virtual Private Network, is a useful tool for protecting your online privacy and accessing restricted content. However, there might be situations where you need to disable the VPN connection on your iPhone, such as when accessing certain websites or troubleshooting network issues. There are two ways to do this. To get started, open up the Settings app on your iPhone. Then toggle off this switch next to VPN if you manually configured a VPN on the Wi-Fi. Then tap Wi-Fi and then tap the I button next to the Wi-Fi network that you are connected to. After that, scroll down to the bottom of the page and tap Configure Proxy. Tap and select off. This is exactly how you can turn off VPN on your iPhone. Did this video help you? Comment below if I fixed your problem. Hit the subscribe button for more tutorials. Your input fuels us. Comment something below you would like to see fixed.